Little storyteller.
Percy was a little penguin, with very fluffy feathers and bright, curious eyes. He lived on a giant iceberg that stretched as far as he could see, but Percy thought the iceberg was just too white. It needs some color, he chirped to himself. One sunny morning, so Percy waddled off to find some color. He discovered bright red berries growing near a patch of green moss. He gently squished the berries and collected their juicy red liquid in a little seashell. Next, Percy saw a friendly squid swimming nearby, in the clear blue water. The squid happily shared a little bit of its dark purple ink with Percy. "Thank you," Percy chirped, his heart full of excitement. Carefully carrying his seashell full of berry juice and his little bit of squid ink, Percy returned to the big white iceberg. He dipped his fluffy tail into the red juice and started to paint. He made big red flowers and wiggly red lines. Then he used his flipper to spread the dark purple ink, creating swirling patterns. Soon the other penguins waddled over, their heads tilted in surprise. They had never seen anything like it. There were happy gasps and excited chirps as they watched Percy's colorful artwork grow. "Wow, Percy! It's so beautiful!" exclaimed a little penguin with bright yellow feet. Another penguin pointed with its flipper. "Look! He painted a fish!" Percy smiled, feeling happy that his friends liked his painting. Soon all the penguins wanted to help. Some found more berries of different colors, and another friendly squid offered more ink. Together they painted the whole iceberg, with colorful pictures of fish, flowers, and even funny portraits of themselves. The iceberg was no longer just white. It was a giant, beautiful, colorful artwork, made by all the penguins together. Percy learned that sharing his ideas and working with his friends made something even more wonderful than he could have imagined. And all the penguins learned that even something as big as an iceberg could become a canvas for their creativity.
Please subscribe. Thank you.